Good day again. The first day back at the farm after very heavy rains, which I hear they spoiled the farm, so I'm just going to see what had happened. The whole area is green, which is a good thing, but apparently due to the soil poor drainage, the water messed up on some crops. Come with me, let's go see. So this side of the farm is the first side which we had put maize. They have come up, but due to the water logging as well, they're not as big as they were expected to be. But there is going to be a harvest. On the fruit trees, there is still water. This is a pawpaw tree, all dried up. If this is the first time you are watching my video, visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. There's still some aspects of green. We'll see what will happen. This hole has been filled up. Still water on some holes. Oh wow. Again another pawpaw. For sure pawpaws don't need a lot of water. This was waterlogged and it's dead. Same as this one. Hii ilikuwa kichungu.
Lakini hii inaweza survive. Inaweza kuvongo. Ukiendelea inaweza toka.
Acha tuone spray. There's still weeds, a lot of weeds. It's one of the tangerines. This one is surviving well, just needs to be well taken care of. So all the pawpaw trees died away with the heavy rains. Unfortunately, I'm not sure whether I need to start planting them again, or because I still have like 20 more that I needed to put down. Just wondering what will happen, whether I should plant them again or I look for more orange trees or pixie trees or tangerines. All the tangerines survived apart from 2. Let's go look at the fruit trees. See the fruit trees, all of them survived well. There's still a lot that needs to be done. The leaves need to be sprayed. As you can see, some of them are dried up, but at least that's something that I knew needed to be done. Hopefully when it rains the soils won't cover again. Even this one's going to be sprayed upon. As you can see, there are doodles. This one looks like it's doing well. Oi, 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 oi. Hii imekauka kabisa. Niko na maji, niko nini? This one is all dried up. I wonder why. So it seems as everyone was enjoying the rain, my trees were dying. But I'm grateful majority of them survived. I'm just surprised or asking myself what's happening. Some of the leaves are very green, and where the graft is, some of them are still yellowish. It's interesting, there's water inside. The plants are turning yellow. I want to presume that's because of not spraying. So yeah, you can see if you don't take care of your plants, they'll not be in a very good place. And this is what I was saying. One side is green, the other side is turning yellow. Another weird thing on the leaves. Looks like some wilt of some sort. It hasn't affected the plant very much. So this tree, it looks like it died.